Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the screensaver time on your LTV. So if this is activating too quickly, let's just go to settings right here and wait for this to load and go to general. Then go to the right and then we can go on down to system. Then go to additional settings. And then we have screensaver settings. And we can change the screensaver standby time to 30 minutes. And this will set the time until the screensaver appears. So after 30 minutes of basically inactivity, it'll open up on your screen. So if you want to pretty much, get rid of it or don't see it often, just change it right there. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.